self-indulgent, pathetic children who can't handle anybody who has an opposing point of view. Yeah,
Ben was really using those gifts as an indication to say that social justice warriors are just weak and sensitive. He really hates that as soon as you have an opinion that is different to them, they just whine and go crazy. He got them some diapers, which of course is him calling them babies. Cry babies, more specifically. He even sarcastically says that they are really tough while hiding behind the police that they complain about.
So strong and so tough you have to stand behind the security and the police officers that you're bashing every...
If you ever needed proof that Ben Shapiro dislikes social justice warriors, then just show them this. Number 5. Next, we have someone who clearly has a disagreement with someone else's point, but damn, you should see her reaction to one of the things he says. She sure isn't happy at all. Check this out.
Took everything over a fire. People no longer have to stand over inhaling fumes, and they can out of trouble.
Yeah, but
that's good. That's good for the environment too, because you're not burning it.
No, it's not.
That's why air quality is improving.
Air quality isn't improving!
Okay, I'm just saying.
This woman disagreed and just had to shout. The guy she was talking to was really chill and really nice, but she just didn't agree with what he said and ended up lashing out at him. But that's not the worst of it. You should see what happens at the end of their long conversation. You would be very surprised.
I got yeah, don't do this stupid shit.
But at the end of the day, the environment is there so that humans can be happy and high quality.
So selfish.
It's not really selfish. I think it's selfish to put birds over people.
That's what he gets.
Oh damn, what is this person doing? What is that all about? Traffic go. You got a cop coming through here now.
trouble, guys. I think I'm gonna have to add this to go get that ticket. Just like last time, it's all over.
That's not safe.
Nope.
I could have died. Oh, that's a police officer.
Yeah.
Oh, is he gonna pull him over?
Be nice. Park hours 8 to 6. Skylines Manor straight ahead. 3/4 of a mile. Okay, now we're back into mile.
Oh man. I don't think he is, but
He did turn around. He's behind us now.
is he? Oh boy. Oh yeah. He's gonna get him. Oh man. Oh, he's not happy. Oh yeah. That's what we got. I tried to cause that.
The speed was only 20 miles an hour.
Where is he? I didn't follow him over.
Yep, he's pulling him
You
over
got him.
for passing us.
Yeah.
Which way do we go?
Oh, but don't wait. Let the cars go by. Oh, you can't do that. Oh!
I did not see that.